Hello students, a very warm welcome to you all to my English grammar classes. Once again, this is your English master teacher Mrs. Avolika and today we are going to learn about one of the category of pronouns, and that is personal pronouns. You know students, the words I, you, she, he, it, we, they, me, her, him, us, them, these are all called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used instead of a name of a person, place, object or idea when it is clear what or who you are talking about. Pronouns save us a lot of the repetitions. For example, Bob, Tubai and I decided that we would watch the flamingos from our terrace. Bob stayed back as the watchman did not see him. When the watchman saw Tubai and me on the terrace, he asked us to come down. The flamingos are beautiful birds. It's a pleasure to watch them. Some personal pronouns serve as subjects and some as objects. In sentences, pronouns that replace subject nouns are called subject pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are subject pronouns. For example, she went home. Here she is subject pronoun. An object pronoun functions as the object of a verb or prepositions in the predicate. The word me, you, him, her, it, us and them are all object pronouns. For example, he went with her. Here, her is an object pronoun. Now let us study it in detail with examples. Personal pronouns are divided based on various types. We will understand them first. Personal pronouns are firstly divided based on point of view. Basically, there are 3 point of views in English. First person, second person and third person. Let me explain you with a simple example. Suppose Ram and Shyam are in a room. Okay? Ram is telling something to Shyam about Richa, which is not present in the room. Then in this case, Ram is the first person as he is the person who is speaking. Okay? Shyam is the second person as he is the person who is listening to Ram. And Richa is the third person as she is not present in the room while they are talking about her. And Ram may be talking about Richa to Shyam like this. I am telling you that she is very intelligent. Okay? So this is the point of view. Always remember it. First person, second person and third person. Personal pronouns are then divided based on forms. There are 2 forms, singular and plural. Singular is used if we are talking about only one person or thing. And plural is used if we are talking about more than one person or thing. Personal pronouns are further divided into 3 types, that are subjective, possessive and objective. Subjective. It is used for addressing subjects. I, we, he, she, who and they are examples of subjective pronouns. Possessive. It is used to show ownership. Okay? My, mine, our, ours, his, her, hers, their, theirs and whose are the examples of possessive pronouns. Next one is objective. Objective is used for addressing objects. Me, us, him, her, them and whom are the examples of objective pronouns. Let's quickly review the 3 different ways in which personal pronouns are divided. They are divided based on 3 types of persons. As you all know, first person, second person and third person. two types of form, singular form and plural form, and three types, subjective, possessive and objective. Clear to you all? Okay. Now we will look into each person separately to understand this pronoun. First person, what is it? It represents the person speaking. Remember the example of Ram, which was the first person, Shyam, which was the second person, and Richa, which was the third person that we discussed. Okay, so first person represents the person who is speaking. It is divided into two parts, singular and plural, and three types, subjective, possessive and objective. Now for subjective, I is used for singular form and we is used for plural form. For possessive, my, mine are used in singular form and our, ours are used in plural form. And for objective, me is used in singular form and us is used in plural form. Let's look into the example of some of them. Singular, for I am a good swimmer. I is used here as subject and is in a singular form. Okay? Plural form, we are a team of swimmer. Here students, we जो है is used as a subject and in a plural form. Now let's look into second person. It represents the person who is listening. Okay? In the second person, singular and plural are same. They are also divided into subjective, possessive and objective types. For subjective, you is used as singular or plural form. For possessive, your and yours is used as singular or plural forms. And for objective, you is used as a singular or plural forms. Okay? Let's look into sentence example. Singular form, you like cooking. Okay? Here you is used as a singular form and as a subject. Clear? Plural form, you all are great cook. Here you is used in a plural form as we are addressing more than one cooks. Okay? And it is used as a subject. Now let's look into the third type of pronoun. Third person. It represents the person or thing other than the first person and second person. They are divided into singular form and plural form. And further they are also divided into subjective, possessive and objective like the other forms. Okay? For subjective, he, she, it is used for singular form and they is used for plural form. For possessive, he, her and hers is used in singular form and their and theirs is used for plural forms. And for objective, him, her and it is used in singular form and them is used in plural form. Okay? Now let's look into sentence example for the third person. Singular form, he reads newspaper regularly. Okay? Here in this sentence, he is used as a third person, as a subject in the singular form. Plural form, they read newspaper regularly. Here in the sentence, they is used as a third person, as a subject in plural form. Okay, clear to you all? Okay, now let's review the chart which we covered. I, me, mine is used for singular form. Okay, in the first person. We, us, our, ours is used for plural form in the first person. You, your, yours is used for singular form and plural form in the second person. He, she, it, him, her, his, hers, its is used for singular form in the third person. And they, them, their, theirs is used for the plural form in the third person. Clear to you all? Very good. That's all in this video. Okay? We discussed about personal pronoun here and we will discuss about the remaining categories of pronoun in our next videos. Till then, My dear students, take care. Bye bye.